Have you ever felt like you're falling behind? Like you're not doing enough, not being enough, not achieving enough? Everywhere you look, someone is building an empire, launching a brand, chasing greatness. People are documenting their hustle, their wins, their glow-ups. It's a non-stop parade of purpose and productivity. And you? You're just trying to keep your head above water. You open your eyes in the morning, and before your feet hit the ground, you already feel late to your own life. But what if I told you, you don't need to be everywhere? You don't need to do everything. You don't need to be everything. You only need to be here, now, whole as you are. The myth of more is seductive. Work harder, wake up earlier, push beyond your limits, no days off. But at what cost? The Greek philosopher Diogenes once lived in a barrel, owning nothing but a cloak, a staff, and a bowl. When he saw a child drinking from his hands, he threw the bowl away. He had one less thing to carry. Now, I'm not saying give away all your things and live in a barrel, but maybe we're carrying too much, chasing too much, becoming too scattered, trying to be seen, heard, and validated by a world that doesn't even know itself. In philosophy, there's a term called Ataraxia. It means inner tranquility, peace of mind. The Stoics pursued it. The Epicureans valued it. Buddhists might call it nirvana. Taoists call it wu-wei, effortless action. But no matter the language, the idea is the same. Peace isn't found in adding more. It's found in removing what weighs you down. That pressure to respond to every message, that urgency to capitalize on every opportunity, that silent guilt when you're resting instead of grinding. Let it go. There is no cosmic scoreboard keeping track of how fast you climb, how much you produce, how many boxes you check. Sometimes the most revolutionary thing you can do is stop. To sit in silence, to let the world spin without your hands on the wheel, to remind yourself that being alive is enough. We've mistaken stillness for laziness, slowness for failure, simplicity for mediocrity. But consider this. The tree does not strive to grow, it just grows. The sun does not hustle to shine, it just shines. The ocean does not plan its waves, it just moves. And yet, nothing is more powerful than these quiet forces of nature. Why then do we believe we must fight against our own nature to prove our worth? There's a Japanese concept called Shibumi. It means effortless perfection, quiet refinement, something so understated it doesn't scream for attention, but leaves an unforgettable impression. You don't need to be loud to be powerful. You don't need to be seen by everyone to matter. You just need to be true. True to your rhythm, true to your values, true to your enoughness. And here's the part they never teach us in school, on social media, or in motivational seminars. You are allowed to do less, to want less, to be content. You are allowed to walk away from a life of constant performance and embrace one of quiet presence. Because peace isn't passive. Peace is power under control. The power to walk away from chaos, the power to choose what matters and let the rest dissolve. The world will keep spinning, the trends will keep changing, the race will keep racing. But you can choose another path. One paved not by comparison but by contentment, not by doing more but by being deeply present in what you're already doing. So here's your invitation. Slow down, breathe, delete the app, decline the call. Let the dishes wait. Let the noise pass. Return to yourself, because when you stop trying to be everything, you begin to remember you already are enough.